Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about complementary and supplementary angles. Two angles are complementary when the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. Now these are obviously the sum of their measures 90 degrees because you got the square corner here, so you don't need to know what the individual angles are. But these are also complementary even though they're not touching each other in any way, shape, or form because they add up to 90, and that's the only rule. If they add up to 90, they're complementary. Two angles are supplementary when the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So again, these two right here, they're obviously supplementary because they share a side, they form a straight line. So angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. These two are also supplementary because 135 and 45 add up to 180, and that's the only rule. They add up to 180, they're supplementary. So, tell whether the angles are complementary, supplementary, or neither. Okay, so we look here at these two. I've got 49 and 41. Together those add up to 90. So 49 plus 41, that adds up to 90. So these are complementary. Please learn to spell complementary correctly. Okay. These two right here, they add up to 180. 70 plus 110. That's 180, so those are supplementary. Okay, these here, 128 plus 62 is 190. These are neither. Okay. So, piece of cake. Tell whether the angles are complementary, supplementary, or neither, and then find the value of x. Okay, so these two are complementary. How do I know that? There's a square corner right there that shows that they are and they're adjacent to each other. So now I can go ahead and figure out what they are because 4x plus 36 has to equal 90. So if I subtract 36 from both sides, I get 4x is 54. And then I'm going to go ahead and divide by 4. And that's going to be, let's see, 13.5. X is going to be 13.5. So, yeah, there you go. Got X. Okay, now over here, these two form a straight line. So they add up to 180. So x plus x minus 4 is 180. Combine my like terms here. 2x minus 4 is 180. Add 4 to both sides. So 2x is 184. Divide by 2. X is 92. And there you go. Okay, draw a pair of adjacent supplementary angles so that one angle has a measure of 60 degrees. Okay, so this is pretty simple. They're supplementary, so basically what that means is they're going to form a straight line. So just draw a straight line. And then go ahead and pick a point somewhere to be your vertex. It doesn't matter where. So there's my vertex, which it looks like I kind of missed the line. So we'll cheat and do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my protractor. Remember that this little spot right here goes right on the vertex, and I line it up. The baseline, and I'm off just a hair here. Tilt that. There we go. Oops, I'm still off. There, now my baseline is lined up. Oh, I'm still off a little bit. Might have to move my line. It might not snap to. Oh dear. All right, we're not going to be able to get this perfectly, so we're going to get as close as we can. So let's see, here I got 0 on this side, so I'm going to count to 60 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot right here at 60 degrees. Okay, and then I will go ahead and put a ray like that. Now, I can move this. Whoops, got an extra line on there now. Don't want that. Move this out of my way. I know that this is a 60-degree angle right here. Okay, so I'm done. I've created a 60-degree angle. This would also be a 120-degree angle, and that forms that to be a straight line. Okay, now you find the solutions to the following. So you're going to get to do these. Tell me what x is on both of these. I'll let you pause the video here, solve the problems, and then jump back on and see how you did. Okay, so on this one, I know these are supplementary, so 4x plus 5 plus 41 has to equal 180. So I'm going to combine my like terms here, get 4x plus 46 equals 180. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 46 from both sides. So x is going to be 134. Well, 4x is going to be 134. Okay, so then I'm going to divide by 4. Ooh, x is going to be, what is that? 314, that'll go in there, another 33.5. Let's check that with a calculator, eh? So, $134 divided by 4. 33.5, there we go. Okay, now these over here are complementary, so they're going to add up to 90. So that's going to be x plus 2x minus 3 is 90. I'm going to combine my like terms of the x's this time, so 3x minus 3 is 90. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides. So 3x is 93, and I'll divide by 3. And I get x is 31. And I can check these if I want. So by taking 31 and plugging it in here, that'd be 31. And this would be 62 minus 3 would be 59. And 59 and 31 add up to 90. You can do the same thing here, 33.5 times 4. This would be 134 plus 5 would be 139 plus 41 is 180, so it works. Alright, you're going to get to do problems 1 through 31 odd, and I will see you guys in class.